quick rundown on some things I have. They're all pretty much from the Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Just pieces. I like to get pieces and then just take them apart so I can use different kinds. These were from Walmart. Dollar Tree. I got an extra little mini wreath. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to take some leftovers and maybe make a little mini wreath. Whole ton of glue sticks, the big boys, because glue gun is your friend. The neutral colors, the more natural elements, that's kind of what I'm going for this year. So that will be at the end of the video, and I just want to show you guys what I have. So very important. Floral wire, also your best friend. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is called a grapevine wreath. I did not do this. I bought it like this from Walmart. To be honest, I don't plan a lot ahead of time when I do crafts. I wing it a lot. So right now I'm just gonna wing and see where is it that I want some placements. I like the way these leaves look. I like the softness it gives the wood. I'm also gonna wrap burlap. And I wanted to paint this and kind of put it in the middle. It is a Christmas wreath after all. So I kind of like the way that looks. I'm gonna paint it white with mix some gold in there to give it a little shimmer. But this is kind of like the rough draft. So it left like a peachy stain on the wood, which I actually really like. I'm gonna go over it with white and then again with the gold, but separately. So. Once everything was painted, I replaced everything on the grapevine wreath just to get a feel of what colors I would use and if I was going to use more colors in the wreath at all. Now it's time to wrap your wreath with your burlap ribbon. We got this burlap ribbon at Walmart. I like it because it has wire inside, so I felt like it was more sturdy. I told you the glue gun would be your best friend. Just glue the back of the wreath, no one will see it, and it'll hold the ribbon in place. So you lay it out. I'm leaving this empty because I'm putting a bow here. And you pretty much fold the floral wire and you put it like this. You pull it through, and that's how it does. It holds it. Then it's in the back. You're gonna tie it, twist it, and cut it, and it'll hold it into place. And for the leaves that are on the burlap, we're just gonna use our friend, the hot glue gun. I ended up using floral wire even for the leaves on the bottom. I found it was pretty easy to poke the holes through the burlap, so why not? It was more secure. This is an example on how I buy floral arrangements from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. And you just rip it apart. Use the pieces you like. Don't be afraid to rip things apart sometimes. This bow is 100% my husband's doing. He worked at a certain store that organizes and was taught how to make a bow. He taught me how to do it, and it is so freaking easy. I will never buy another bow again. Here you can see that I used some of the pieces that I broke off from the earlier floral arrangement. I put it in the middle of the bow, use the floral wire, poke it through, tie it tight, and cut it with some wire cutters. And that's it. Voila. So this is actually my favorite part. I look at everything that I have, all my little odds and end pieces, and I put it all together just to zhuzh it up, to give it an extra little oomph. I always lay it out beforehand before I hit it with the hot glue gun. And I'm also going to be using a lot of floral wire. I love it. It really keeps it sturdy, and you really can't see it once everything's put together. I had cotton from another piece. The pine cones, I actually repainted. I touched them up with a little bit more white so that it looks a little bit more snowy. I even put white on the wire that was holding the sign just so it could blend in better. I actually did this wreath first. This is where I learned the importance of the floral wire. I love this one as well. We used the lacy burlap to wrap it all around sideways, kind of like a half moon. Again, the ornament, Dollar Tree. And yeah, I really love it. I love the way they came out. If you want to learn how to make the bow, the video will be linked at the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.